Welcome to the ultimate guide to one of the most critical financial books of all time, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about some old finance book? Well, hold on to your wallets because by the end of this video, you'll realize that The Intelligent Investor is like the money Bible we all should have read ages ago. Even the one of greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett, swears by it. So why shouldn't you give it a shot? Benjamin Graham, often considered the godfather of value investing, lays out a blueprint in this book to help you navigate the treacherous waters of the stock market. It's like having Yoda as your Jedi master, but in the world of finance. By understanding and applying Graham's principles, you can become a financial Jedi yourself. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Key insight. 1. Market fluctuations. One of the main takeaways from this book is to understand that the stock market is like that crazy roller coaster at the amusement park. It goes up, it goes down, and it can make you sick if you're not careful. Graham's genius advice? Instead of trying to predict these market ups and downs, just be patient and ride it out for the long haul. It's like enduring the roller coaster, but knowing it'll bring you safely back to the ground. Key insight. 2. Mr. Market. Now, meet Mr. Market, the bipolar stock market personified. One day he's all sunshine and roses, offering to buy your stocks at a high price. The next, he's depressed, practically giving them away. Graham's wisdom here is simple. Don't let Mr. Market's moods mess with your head. Instead, base your decisions on the actual value of a company, not Mr. Market's daily emotional breakdowns. So always remember, the stock market is like a thrilling, emotional roller coaster ride. But you can be the cool, collected rider who knows that the roller coaster eventually returns to the starting point. Key insight. 3. Margin of safety. Imagine you're driving a car. You put on your seatbelt, right? Well, Graham's version of a seatbelt in investing is something called the margin of safety. It's all about buying stocks when they're on sale, cheaper than their real worth. This way, even if the company hits a speed bump, you've got that extra cushion to protect your wallet. In other words, investors should focus on finding stocks that are trading at a price significantly below their true value or their intrinsic value, with the belief that these undervalued stocks will eventually rise to reflect their true worth. And that is essentially the soul of value investing. Key insight. 4. Defensive versus enterprising investors. In his book, Graham divides investors into two camps: defensive and enterprising. Defensive investors are like the chill sloths of the investing world. They prefer a more laid-back, conservative approach. On the other hand, enterprising investors are the adrenaline junkies who love the thrill of the chase. Graham's advice? Know which camp you belong to. That's where Benjamin Graham meets Sun Tzu's wisdom in The Art of War, where knowing oneself is the first step to victory in the battlefield of the stock market. Key insight. 5. The power of diversification. Diversification. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket, but with your hard-earned cash. Graham recommends spreading your investments across different types of assets, like stocks and bonds. This way, if one investment goes belly up, it won't send your entire portfolio crashing down with it. It's like playing financial defense. Key takeaway. Patience is your best friend. Here's the grand finale, folks. The key takeaway from The Intelligent Investor is simple but profound. Patience is your best friend. This book isn't a get-rich-quick manual. It's more like a financial GPS that guides you safely to your destination. With Graham's wisdom, you can make smarter, long-term choices and become a financial rock star. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the money magic hidden in The Intelligent Investor. This book is not just for Wall Street gurus. It's for anyone who wants to master the art of investing. Now you're armed with the knowledge to make your money work for you. Thanks for tuning in, and may your investments be as intelligent as you are.